You've learned some powerful prompts, but are they saved in a dusty text file on your desktop? Stop reinventing the wheel with every new task. The most productive AI-powered PMs aren't just good at prompting, they're organized. Today, we build your personal, reusable AI toolkit, your ultimate PM prompt library. A prompt library is your personal, structured collection of proven, high-quality prompts, organized for your most common tasks. It's not just a list, it's a system. Each entry should include the prompt itself, the persona to use, the context it's for, and an example of a good output. It's your playbook for getting consistent, high-quality results from your AI assistant every single time. How should you organize it? Structure it around the product management lifecycle. Create categories like discovery for prompts that help with market research and user personas. Prioritization for prompts that analyze feedback and score features. Execution for generating user stories and PRDs. And launch for drafting marketing copy and release notes. This way, you can find the exact prompt you need in seconds. Let's start an example of building one right now. Start with a new database. The properties will be task name, category, persona, and prompt. Now, let's add the competitive analysis prompt from our last episode. The task is competitive analysis. The category is discovery. The persona is market research expert. And I'll paste in the prompt text. Just like that, our library has its first entry. It's that easy to get started. A well-organized prompt library is the secret to unlocking consistent AI productivity. What category of prompts are you most excited to build first? Let me know in the comments.